There again, Jamaican Mothers Part 2. Yo, this time we're gonna do it a little bit different. We're gonna show you what would happen if it was a white parent, I'm just gonna say white, it could be any other race, compared to a Caribbean, Jamaican in particular parent. So we're gonna do it a little different this time. Jimmy, coming home from school with your best friend, the white mother.
Hey, you know Miss Campbell's ass is big though, right?
Man, she was looking good. Is that you, Timmy? Hey, welcome home.
That's so fat. Like, shit, you ready for Magic Bottle? Oh, let's do that shit, bro.
Oh, shit. Oh, don't worry about it. I'll pick up the bags. The Jamaican mother.
Yo, dog, you see Miss Jackson now, dog?
Yeah, but I'm gonna go for a book no penny.
Oh, my God, stop the door. You pin a bill in ya.
No, like.
So. One on, now take off the shoes.
Take off what?
Just on the floor now. Hold on, I'm in ya.
Yeah, I'm here.
Hold on, they pop beat out today, your shit, Chris. The white. Oh my God, Timmy!
Mom, I don't feel good.
Feel good?
I feel like I'm going to call the ambulance. Oh my God, somebody get the ambulance. I'm gonna call Dr. Norris, okay?
Yo, Jamaican mothers, everything tea can cure everything now. Cause when I was sick, drink tea. My back hurt, drink tea. My cut my foot, drink tea. Really?
Warm tea, Ian? Warm tea.
Mama, look at me catch a flu, you know.
You catch a flu?
You know, me catch a flu.
Hey, drink this.
How about this?
Cersei.
The white mother.
You enjoy that? That was funny.
Timmy!
Oh, whoa,
I'm
whoa,
sorry.
whoa.
Hi, how are you, honey? Oh, dinner? No?
No,
You guys
no
need
dinner.
condoms?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
She's retired,
honey.
you have to understand.
Alright. The Jamaican mother.
You didn't enjoy that though? Bad though.
Oh!
What on, I wanna go in here! No, we're not playing Dandy Shandy. Dandy Shandy, we're not playing Dandy Shandy.
This is not what my eyes are seeing. What on,
We're Dandy Shandy, we're not playing. Mama, she killed mama.
People are dead.
The white mother. Hey, how you doing, guys? How are you? I didn't know you guys are over here. Hey, I'm about to do some laundry. You have any extra dirty clothes you want to throw in? No. Okay. All right. Something about the Jamaican Caribbean mothers, they always have to embarrass you in front of your friends. They feel like, I don't know. I don't know why they do it. I really don't know. Aaron?
Yeah, mommy.
Aaron, you need me to call you?
Yeah.
I just come down, then I ain't got to go to the wash.
No, let's go.
How would I know?
My friend them.
Oh, me never know. Stop the thinking, boy. They got put out my friends. I want to come from.
Me tell you,
Is animal raising?
Me tell you, eh?
Is animal raising? Me no want to see no more shit stain. Me no know, yeah, donkey. Me no know if you're Rambo that shit so. Me never see nothing shit so. Not no way no more white boxes, please, because me no know if you're Rambo.
So what you embarrassed before?
Me not talk to friends. You're real friends and you know you're shit body. Sure. Just me no want to see no more shit stain. Me not the underwear. Videos every Sunday and Thursday. Make sure you thumbs up the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, cause we love a subscriber, damn.
My clocks. Yo. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. Treat them clean and neat and never have marks.
I mean, I want to see no more shit stain by your underwear. You hear? Me don't know how they out. Me don't want to see no more shit stain. Me don't know. Yeah, donkey. Yeah, donkey, I go shit. I must run boat because I know. Me don't know if you're run boat that shit so. Me never see nothing shit so. How we eat?